Hello everybody, it's Charlie Minnick here at Bailey Toliver RV in Victoria. We have something fantastic to show you. I want to introduce you to Thomas Cunningham. He's with Cougar, Keystone Cougar. He's brought down an unbelievable unit. You're going to love it. I'm going to turn it over to Thomas and let him show you what we have. What do we got here, Thomas?
Brand new 360 MBI. Up front, we got our brand new Helix pin box. Brand new floor plan for us this year. Revamped mid-bunk floor plan.
Nice storage we got in this thing, buddy.
Baby.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that. Outdoor fridge.
Outdoor fridge.
Bang.
Full pass-through storage. Wow.
Double door access on the back side for optimal pass-through storage. Mid-bunk, rear living. Awesome, awesome featured floor plan that's new to the Cougar lineup this year.
So tell me something, Thomas. What have y'all done this year to change the Cougar from what we had last year? What are the upgrades? Just a real quick overspill. Yeah. What's some of the upgrades?
ABS on all models, H-rated tires on full-size Cougar floor plans. We also added the road armor suspension, H-rated tires, 16 ply. Bang, ready to go. That towability factor is important to us.
Fantastic. What about air conditioning? How are we sitting on air conditioning?
We have 18K in the rear, 15K on the front, and this unit right here is prepped for a third AC as well.
Is the 18K the Everchill?
Yes.
Okay, so that's really a lower amperage, shorter draw, cools better, and y'all have tested this in a heat chamber, correct?
Yes, sir. 100%.
So we're in South Texas, Thomas.
Yep.
It gets hot down in South Texas, okay?
Yep.
So do you feel like that the customers, people that are interested in this, will be able to stay cool down here, especially if we add the third AC?
100%.
Is that an option from the factory to add the third AC if I ordered it that way?
Dealership level.
Dealership level. That's
yes,
good. That means that's something that we can do here at the dealership. We have over 65 years of RV experience here working. We have factory technicians that have come to work for us. We have RVIA certified. It's amazing what we have accomplished here, so we can do it in-house. And I know that if Jake Boots, our general manager, he comes from the service side. If he feels like he can do it, it's going to get done.
100%.
Well, let's go inside and see what else you got to offer, Thomas.
Let's check this thing out. Ooh.
Hey, I love this. I love this safety rail.
You like that?
Yeah.
Big old rail.
Oh, wow. Okay. What is this?
We'll show it right away. This is our pivot pantry. You'll see this across multiple floor plans of Cougar, but right here it's in the 360 MBI. It's not only a pantry, it doubles as your entertainment center. So
wow.
You got the TV, you got a little fireplace inside of there. It's prepped for cordless vacuum hanging in there and all that good stuff, outlet and everything.
This is something that I love, the roller shade system. The roller shade is just amazing.
Yes, the blackout.
You can black it out, keep it nice and cool in the heat of the summer.
Yep.
When at night you can block people out being able to see what's going on.
Yep.
I love every bit of this.
Also, take note to this ceiling 12-volt ceiling fan in here as well.
Wow. So that's kind of okay. So I see the Everchill.
Yep.
The 18K. I've seen this in lots of units. This actually rotates, right?
Yes, sir.
It fluctuates back and forth to get more circulation.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Solid surface countertops, full-size stove,
yep.
Residential refrigerator. Now, this is 12 volt, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Thomas, why do we go to 12 volt?
12 volts important because obviously the customer may not be plugged in, right?
Okay.
So we have a standard solar package on ours with a 220 watt panel. All your lights, outlets, all those things are capable to run off of solar, deemed that way. So we want to give you the best of both worlds, a residential feel, but also have the flexibility of 12 volts. So you'll have this on this refrigerator right here, and that'll be inside of the full-size lineup. Favorite thing about the 360 MBI, you get a nice little bonus room in here. It can be anywhere for children to hang out all the way to a workstation, right?
Okay. One of the reasons why we purchased this unit at the RV show, we went to Indiana and bought and seen the all-new product. It's amazing what the product managers, the engineers, the staff has done. They've actually made this room bigger.
Yes.
It's more like an office, right?
Yep.
You have your desk, where normally you would be about 8 to 10 inches shorter here, so it feels a little bit more claustrophobic, and y'all changed that up. That's what really sold me when I went to the show, the open house, and seen this unit. I loved it. I thought it felt better. It wasn't so crammed up.
Certainly.
The storage, everything is just what I really loved.
Right.
this unit, now, as we go on up to the front, we got a full bunk up here.
Yep.
Okay. We have the, what do you call these, barn doors?
Yeah, barn doors. So they'll be right here on the track. Leave
Okay.
that right there.
Okay.
Pull this out. It shuts.
Okay.
Inside there, you've got a trifold sofa as well. So not only seating, it can also sleep. Another trifold there, dedicated theater seating, and then a dinette that converts down into a sleeper as well. So this floor plan offers the ultimate flexibility for sleeping too.
Okay, let's go up front. Look up here. I love what you've done here. Before, in these big bunk areas, this top bunk, the ladder started down here.
Yep.
What I really like is the way y'all made this bigger to where you can come up and your ladder's not near as steep.
Yep.
People don't fall. They feel more secure about getting up and down, especially have little kids running up and down. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, 100%.
I love it.
And
I love it.
One thing I like to highlight is all your control panels are nice and hidden away. So slide outs, those kind of things, you can't bump it, right? In the
love it. Love it. I love it. I love the bathroom in here. One of the major things that I always tell people is whenever they're looking at a unit, the very one I love selling and I like demoing, and I have a lot of fun with people.
Yeah.
Now you're a big guy. I'm a big guy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What I really like about this is the room that you have in this bathroom. The shower is amazing. This is new. This is new.
Yep.
I love this. And then I also like to have the porcelain commode. High-rise porcelain commode, which makes it easier, for man, I'm in my 60s. It's not as easy as it used to be to sit down there and get up and down. Yep. And I love the room, just everything about it. So it's a phenomenal unit. Love the new shower head set up. But look how much room you have in this shower.
Beautiful. Plenty of room.
Show us the bedroom.
Bedroom's awesome, right? My favorite feature inside of the bedroom is that we got a 15K ducted AC up here, right? We got some hidden storage right here, so whatever you may want to have hidden away, really nice. Favorite feature about up front, we have a lit closet rod hanger. On top of that, look at the space around this king bed up front, right? We did that with our Space Saver frame. If you actually get a true clean walk around on these on this bed, so it's ultimate Space Saver. On top of that, you get a closet with a hamper storage in there for dirty clothes and things like that. But my favorite piece to talk about is our large closet inside of here that comes with washer dryer prep.
Okay, I can't put a stackable in here because I've only got, but I can do the combo, right? No, I can do a stackable. We just got to pull these shelves out.
These shelves come out.
Wow.
And if you want to put a stackable, all you do is change out the hardware so you can shut the door flush and clean.
You have to change out the hardware.
Yes. The handle will block it, won't shut all the way. That's the only thing. So it'll become like a little pocket slider. That's something good for our service department to know that, because that would be something that we wouldn't be factoring in. Sure. Come and ask you a stupid question. I like stupid questions. Yep. Why don't we go ahead and change that knob out to where it's easier? It's already prepped and ready to go. Is there a reason behind that? Well, some customers will not. Safety. But some customers will not have the washer dryer in there. So we like to make everything consistent from start to finish. We do a lot of videos, marketing, those kind of things, and want to have everything consistent. Wow. So overall, the roller shades is just amazing to me. I mean, it changes the whole appearance, the whole lighting of the unit. Yep. Do what you want to do with it, and it also helps it when you're storing or especially in the heat. 100%. So I love it. You got a backer already built into this for television. Yep. All your key TVs and cables and all those kind of things are ran and ready to go. Guys, y'all need to come out to Bailey Toliver RV here in Victoria, Texas on Highway 59. Go to our website, ToliverRV.com. That's ToliverRV.com. Come out and see what we have to offer. Come see this brand new Cougar. We're so excited about it. Thomas, thank you for your time. Thank you for coming out, showing it. Let's see what kind of response we get, and hopefully we can get some of these moved for you. For sure. Thank you. Remember, that's ToliverRV.com, ToliverRV.com. Come visit us.